I've been sitting here thinking about all the things you do for me, how you make me. But wondering if it's the same for you, but when you're not around.
Hello, my lovely, beautiful, gorgeous people. It's Odette. Welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome today. I have created this Barbie-inspired makeup look for you guys. Everything is going to be coming up in just a minute, but this is my version of it. This is a palette from Essence. It's called Welcome to Marrakesh. Beautiful palette. And this is the look. And you guys are going to see how I've created this look for you guys. This Barbie inspired makeup look that's a big trend all over social media, and I thought just jump on the bandwagon already and just do a look. Okay, so stay tuned, the video is coming up. Hope you guys enjoy. Everything is going to be down below for you guys. Toodles.
Want it, I'ma give it to you G straight NML beats, I am not a human being. Ballin' like Kareem, sippin' on codeine. I lean with it, rock with it, got coke dreams. Boom, back, boom in the trap. When trap meets house, you get a trap house. Got 2 stacks, throw it at a shit land. Want it, I'ma give it to you G straight NML beats, I am not a human being. Ballin' like Kareem, sippin' on codeine. I lean with it, rock with it, got coke dreams. Boom, back, boom in the trap. When trap meets house, you get a trap house. Got 2 stacks, throw it at a shit land.
lovelies, here we are. This is the finished look of my Barbie inspired makeup look. This is my version of it. Not quite sure if Barbie is dark or not, but in any case, we're not gonna go there. But this is my version of the Barbie inspired makeup look. I love the way this has turned out. Very, very, very simple and easy. And of course, the palette is called Welcome to Marrakesh. This is from Essence. Love this palette. You guys would have seen this, I think, in last week's video, I think it was. But yeah, this is my version of it. Of course, everything that I used in this makeup look today will be down below. And I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave me your thoughts in the description box below. And don't forget the giveaway is still going on until December the 16th. And so we are going to leave it here for today. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Odette. Catch you later. Toodles.